Marvelous Monday, everyone! Live tayo saglit. Hello, si Jenny. Ay, agad-agad tayo siya na adrao. How are you doing? ¿Cómo estamos? Ayan. A Monday reminder. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. You're such an amazing person. Positive lang tayo. Kumusta sis? What are you doing right now? Ayan, dyan tayo. Shout out si Anis Wonder. Good afternoon. It's afternoon here in San Jose. Our time check is 12:02 in the afternoon. Ayan, thank you sa tamsak. Ayan. Wait, sisi patamsak ko nga lagan ko. Wait, balikan ko. Nindot sa adlaw, oy. Oh, nindot ka. It's a wonderful day today. The sun is shining. Wala kay work. Man akong work. Habang gahulat ko sa akong Prince Charming. Hello, Sir Greg. Habang gahulat ko sa akong Prince Charming, mag-live muna ako dito. Hey, you have a bag on your head. Where is it? Sa'yo naman. Yeah, 3 hours and 45 minutes. See, I'm going to heaven na ba? Joke. It was cold in the morning, but now it's hot. Sunny day. Lul, you are amazing. Thank you guys. You're amazing too, guys. You are all amazing. Yeah, the sun is shining. The sky is blue. God loves you. Alan Miller. God loves you too. Musta man din ha, madam. Sing. Sing for joy. Okay lang diri. Oy, on the way na si Happy Bells. It's okay here. The invisible enemy is still working. Kailan pa kayo matatapos ang invisible enemy na yan? So we're still wearing masks. Still do the 6 feet distancing. Pero ang iba matitigas talaga ang ulo. Ayan. Kailan ba natin yan mapapatayan si invisible enemy? Nakakaloker. Maglakad-lakad nga ako sa daan while do live stream. Hello, Zai. Skykick support you. Hello, guwapa. How are you doing, guwapa? Ayan. Let's do have a work. Hindi ako may itatapon akong itapon ko tong bread ko na naiwan ko sa last week pa, hindi ko nakain, so itapon natin doon sa basurahan. Ayan, diba? Ba't may blue dito? Ano ito? Ayan, horizon. Diri wala na jud init. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Very beautiful, but in the mountain it look like foggy in the mountain. No? I love to stay outside. Look at that. It's like I don't want to go home. Dili pa tugnaw diha, madam. Sa morning tugnaw. Tugnaw sa morning. Karon. It's not tugnaw karon. It's hot. The sun bright. The sunlight bright. There you go. Is your hubby coming? Yes, he's coming. He's on his way. Not so cold today. Sa morning lang it's cold. dito saan ako upo. Cold lang sa umaga. Pero ngayon is malamig. Malamig. Mainit. Mainit ang panahon. Ayan. Iikot-ikot ko na lang kayo, diba? The teacher looking at me. There's teacher looking at me. So I will sit down in here waiting for my Prince Charming. Look at the sun. How are you doing today, mga guys? It's Monday. Woo! Shine light, shine bright like a diamond. Yeah, let's shine bright like a diamond. We are good watching you. Thank you. Dito lang tayo. Ox lang season sleep guys. Hayuko tomorrow pod pohon. Thank you sis Annie. How are you doing there? How's the what do you call that? Norway. I wish I could come to Norway one day. Ito na ba si asawa ko? Hindi pa. Hindi pa siya dumating. He's on his way. Ox lang naman, kauntag lansunis. Uy, may lansunis dyan? You have a lansunis in there. What is English? What do you call in English the lansunis? No, it's exotic food in the Philippines. Meron as a store. Mahal ba ang lansunis dyan? Diba? So, I use my tripod para makikita niyo ang aking mukha. Naglukdoog taya. Jenny Serrano Perkurski, shout out. Super mahal. Ayan, Tamsak Lalabs, Lynn Johnson Vlog, Blagadag. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, Anis Wonder. Bisaya po ni si Anis Wonder baya. Nasa Norway siya. Hello. Bibigay sila ng mga food doon, oh. Ay, kung sa mga food kasi mga palaging pizza, burger. So, okay lang pag sometimes. Pero pag wala na talagang iba, kakain ka na talaga. Hi, RHN Library. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my live streaming. Yo, yo. Paikot ng paikot. Shout out everyone. How are you? I'm doing good. Thank you so much. How are you too? RHN Library. I love that sun in my back. It's beautiful. Mag-unsa ka diha? Nangahoy. Mangahoy ko ay kay sugno na ko niya sa akong kuan sa ako ang ayan, ganyan lang. Diyan tayo. Baka may magagalit na naman bakit ako mag-video-video. Sarili ko lang naman ang pinivideo ko. Hindi naman sila kasama. Ayan. I'm good. Where are you from? I'm from San Jose, California. How about you? Where are you from, my friend? Okay lang, sis Annie. Ikaw, musta? Ayan. I love the background. Sana ganito lagi ang aking background. I love it. Johnson Vlog. Ox lang, sisi Koy. Kumusta ang inyong mga weekend? Meron kayong nagse-celebrate kayo ng Halloween? Ayan, may ako. Natural light. My dear sunshine. You're my sunshine after the rain. Thank you so much, RHN Library. Thank you for liking my vlogs. Appreciate it. And I'm here he's all. It's all because of you. Love that. I am from Pakistan. Oh, hello Pakistan. Hello everybody. Have a good day and wonderful. It's so nice today. But in the mountain it looks foggy. I can see the mountain right now. But the sky is so blue. The sun is totally out. And I hear the chirping of the birds. I love it. Hi Jenny. Greetings from RHN Library. No wind today din ha sis, diri Gabagyo. There's no wind in here. That's just a little bit. How are you? Sabi ni RHN Library. The only thing I want in life. It's windy here. Wow. I like wind. I like the breeze of the wind that touch my face. Face. I like the wind blows and for this cause I put my camera on my shoes so you can smell my shoes. It's hot. I thought it's very cold in the morning, like 54 degrees. But now it's warm today in the afternoon. So magkalo-kalo tayo like Red Riding Hood. For you alone deserves our glory. Thank you sa mga tamsuckles. Big shout out sa inyong lahat. Thank you for joining me right now, right here. I'm waiting for you. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow's gonna write itself. Jenny, after a long time we contact online chatting, YouTube. I am feel good. I feel good. That's good, RHN. You feel good. Yeah, just be positive in these crazy times. Don't let fear let you down. Diba? Oh, really? See? So crunchy. Early the iPod si habi ni mo na human og work sis. So we already connected. No, he's steady at home right now. Doing his because he has an exam. He's still doing his study. Okay. Ayan, doon natin ilagay sa kasagbutan para we have a beautiful view. Ayan, nasangit. Hi, Sis Ana Soy. Kaayos, how are you, Kaayos? I miss you. I miss you. How are you doing? Dito lang tayo. Hintayin natin ang ating kamahalan. How are you guys? Thank you for coming. Kahit saglit lang tayo. Someone to hide and hold with all my heart and soul. I need to know before I fall in love. Kantahan ko na lang kayo. Someone who'll stay around with all my ups and downs. Saan ka niyan, Sisi? Dito ako naghahanap ng basura. Magda-dumpster diving ako. Char. No, hinintay ko si Habi ko, Sisi. How are you, Sisi? I miss you. Sa trabaho niya. Yes, I miss you a lot, Sisi Anasoy. What are you doing? Homeless na ko ron. Yeah, I'm living under the tree. Under the tree. Yeah, I'm living under the tree right now. Who want to adopt me? Nakabuto ka na din pala. Sino malakas dyan? No, hindi ako nagbuto. Ang asawa ko lang nagbuto. Ayan, palimos, tagpiso lang, palit og ice water. Hi, Jenny. Greetings from Anasoy. Naashay, bakit? Para sa Bitaw, nang limos ko na ba? Ayaw mamigay ng mga sasakyan. Ayaw nila huminto. Hingi akong piso. Bakit man yan sila, oy? Amoy man ang kamay ko ng ano, oy. Yung tinapon ko na burger. Kasi 1 week na yun sa... Lagyan natin ng hand sanitizer. Shout out kay Lalabs Lynn Johnson dyan. Ayan, Lalabs Anasoy. Mga kaayos. May sundo ka na, Sisi. Oh, yung Prince Charming ko. Ang tagal dumating. Hinahanap pa yata yung pair ng shoes ko. Saglit lang man ako magla-live. Pero baka mamaya mag-live ako ulit. Sa waiting sa sundo. Yes, my sundo is I don't know, he said he's on his way, so that's fine. It's good to stay here outside though. I love to stay here and asking some help. Yes, Chopper. Yes, Chopper akong sundo with red carpets coming. That's the very expensive jet plane in the universe ang sundo ko, pero natagalan siya. Nag-costume pa yata. Nag-costume pa siya. Super shout out sa inyong lahat, ha. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining with me. Ayan, ganahan ko dari oy. Okay. Yes. Hinanda pa niya ang aking ano doon. Ang aking red carpet. Ang sarap lang dito magtambay. Titingin ka sa mga sasakyan, sa mga buses na dadaan, tapos bilang-bilangin mo. See you around, sis. Out sa ako kay murag katulugon na. Ingat, madam. Yes, Madam Anis Wonder. Super shout out. And thank you so much for joining with me this afternoon. Have a great night and sleep well. And God bless you. See you in the dreamland. Have a nice sleep, Sisi. Thank you so much, Madam. Anis Wonder, shout out. Greetings from Anasoy. Yeah. Anasoyus. Anasoyus, hello. Len Johnson. Thanks, Madam. Likewise. Kakantay na lang doon. Paparating na ang aking prinsipe. Nasaan na kaya siya? Nag-drive na kaya o nasa bahay pa? Romy Mungay Sirana. Tatay Romy, welcome to my live streaming. Hello, Tatay Romy. Super shout out. Tatay Romy, thank you for coming. Yan. Sana makilala ko ang lahat ng sasakyan na dadaan. Romy Mongaya, hello! Sabi ni Sis Ana Suy. Ayos! Siya ang chopper ng buhay. Dikitan naman tayo guys. Ayun, dikit-dikit na. Lagyan kita ng jacket, Sis Ana Suyos. Pwede magbaba ka ng iyong banana. Si Tatay Romy, ayan. All peoples from Philippines. Yes, RHN Library. Hoy, my Prince Charming is here right now. So, I need to go. Hi. Nagserbato na aking Prince Charming. Mamaya ko na ito papatayin. Oy. Someone will hide and hope. Did I forget something? Hi, babe. How are you doing? I'm good. We just have 5 kids today. Oh, 5, 7.
7 kids.
Can you slow it down a little bit?
Yeah, I know. Huh?
Slow it down a little bit. The music. So we will not be CPR.
Oh. No.
Okay.
Turn it off. Please turn
Okay,
it
I turn it up.
off. Please turn it off.
Okay guys, bye-bye for now. I need to go. You say
Bye.
your hand. Bye! I will continue later. Bye guys. Thank you for joining with me. God bless everyone. Where is that?
You done?
I'm looking for it.
Just close out of it. Come on.
Yeah. Baboosh!